Hello everybody, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing another episode of Vlogmas where we are making, you guessed it, more cookies. So Oreos are probably my favorite like junk food snack that's sweet. There's just something about them where if I have one, I can't stop. So I decided to buy myself a pack of holiday Oreos and do this really fun tutorial where we cover them in peppermint and white chocolate. So if you want to keep finding out more, go ahead and watch this video. But be sure to hit that subscribe button. So this is a really easy tutorial. You literally need 2 ingredients. You need Oreos and you need Hershey's Peppermint White Chocolate Kisses. And all you do is melt the white chocolate or melt the kisses and then you just cover the Oreos in them. And it's literally the most simple thing in the world. I was a little bit nervous that this was just going to take me so long, and it took me maybe 10 minutes, not even. I think the most time-consuming part, honestly, was removing the aluminum foil from every single one of the Hershey Kisses. And then I just let them sit overnight, and I had one for breakfast this morning. Alrighty guys, so this is the final result. As you can see, they are all covered. There are 3 that have some spots missing, but they're all done. So let's try this one. Oh, it's stuck. Okay, let's try it out. I'm kind of scared, so I think I'm gonna eat this over the sink just in case it crumbles or anything. Bon appetit. Oh! That was really darn good. I was a little bit scared that it was going to be too pepperminty, but it had just the perfect amount of peppermint. And look how cute this is. These are the cutest little things. I think I'm going to have to make more of these. This is probably one of the shortest videos I've ever made. I really hope that you enjoyed. These cookies are literally delicious. The white chocolate hardened, the kisses hardened again, which added an extra crunch to these already really crunchy cookies. But then the bright red, soft, fluffy inside. Oh, it was just like texture heaven in my mouth. Bow chicka bow wow. So that's all that I have for you guys today. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this very quick video. Feel free to like it as well as comment down below. You tell me, what are your favorite things to do with Oreos? I know so many people do so many different things with them. I would love to know what you do. So let me know in the comments down below. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel so you can continue getting updates on other videos that are to come. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.